These headphones have a meaning. Give me less than a minute to find out what kind of. My name is Lucy, and this is another episode of 1 Minute Video Challenge. I am inviting you to pause and think of a project or a task that is mundane, that may be boring or sometimes even challenging, and you need to force yourself almost to do it. Really pause. Do you have that task? Because now I'm going to ask you another question. What would make that task or project easier for yourself? What would make it more enjoyable for you? Here come the headphones for my admin task. Let's say bookkeeping, checking my books, or answering emails. In order for me to get into more energetic state and get through it faster and with more ease and more fun, I put on my headphones and play some really awesome music. What is it for you? What would make your area more enjoyable?